Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change language on Binance app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the Binance application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll be led to your home page and on the top left corner, you'll see the Binance icon. Tap on it. You'll be led to your profile section. Again, on the top right corner of your screen, you will see a settings icon. Tap on that icon. Now, on the general section of settings, you will see the language option. If you tap on it, you will see the option of languages. Here, you can either scroll all the way down and see which language you'd like to choose, or else you can also type in the language on the top search bar. Here, I'm going to type in a random language and select the language. Now, as you can see, the language on my Binance app has been changed into Italian. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.